Okay, my first impression about the Miata. So this is the first time that I'm actually doing a review on this car. So let me talk first before driving off. So the reason I bought this car was because, number one, I never bought this car in my life, so I wanted to kind of experience it. Number two, I heard a lot of good things about Miata, so I wanted to try it out. And number three, I wanted to get something different, because I've driven so many cars that I've experiences with so many different cars, but then I never drove a really light car like a Miata. This is only 2350 pounds, which is like featherweight, you know, according to today's standards. Anyways, so this is very light and relatively pretty strong, 2 liter, but then it has 181 horsepower, 6-speed manual. You know, I always drive manuals whenever possible. And then front engine rear-wheel drive, short wheelbase, small, light, agile, tossable. And then the pros. Okay, so I love this steering, the gear shift. The shift knob is pretty short, and also it's robust, and then it doesn't grind gears. So Subaru BRZ, Subaru WRX, they grind gears. Even on the Lancer Evo that I had before, it grinds gears. Accord V6 6-speed manual, it grinds gears. Even the Camaro sometimes grind gears, but then this one doesn't grind. So I love it. You know, no matter how fast you do it, it doesn't grind gears. That is very important, because I shift really fast, and this one never grinds, and it is very solid. And then the distance is also very good, because some cars they have like, relatively long legs, so I kind of sit back a lot, so I sit very far. But then normally some cars, the shifter is about here, so I have to do this, but instead this is pretty close, which is similar to all the Porsches. But then some cars, especially like not so thoughtful cars, they have like this a little far away. I don't know why. Maybe they have short legs or something. Anyways, so enough of that. The things that I dislike, noise. This is very noisy car. So once you're on a freeway, forget it. You cannot really talk on the phone too much, and then listening to radio is, the music is almost impossible. I mean, you can turn on the volume, but then that's what I'm saying. So, and also the suspension, I wish it was a little stiffer, because this car is really light, so that's why it handles well. But then the suspension, I think, is too soft, should I say. So it should be a little stiffer. Maybe I should, so the few things I want to do is like suspension. I want to do coilovers, and then I want to do, of course, the catback, and I think that's pretty much it. Maybe intake, but then later on I want to put a supercharger or turbocharger. I think that's going to resolve a little lack of horsepower, because this car is light, so it is good, but on freeways is where the horsepower shines. It shows, the horsepower deficit shows. So on freeways it's not really fast, compared to other cars that I own. Anyways, so I'm gonna do a little short burst, as usual. Chirps gears, second gear. It doesn't chirp as third gear, but then second gear it does. A short. So if I want to do a little aggressive, maybe like 3,000. See, no matter how fast and how aggressive I do with the gear, it doesn't grind. It pops right in. It's really nice, and it's very easy to heel and toe. turning circle is really small. I mean, the car is really small, so thanks for watching.